This is like the 20th time I've done this. I'm gonna do it one more time. My name is Mark Morales from STANCEDANDENHANCed, S&E, classy as can be, and this is the Mira Mesa CarMeet.
We hit the elevator right up to the rooftop. The bass is bumping, make me wanna screw the top off. Yeah, we'll be drinking and nobody's gonna stop us. And we'll be kissing anybody that's around us. I just wanna have fun tonight. Love this shit tonight. Rihanna, the flashing lights. Let me blow up this house tonight.
Taiwan. Yeah, we got bullets in here.
You're gonna love this.
What was your name? Daniel. Daniel. Hey, check out Daniel Shell. You got Instagram? Facebook. Facebook. All right, Facebook.
Hold up with my nose up and that rose up and that tanga. I'm froze up and my stove up cause he eating like it's his dinner. I run shit, I don't fall back cause I'm on track, I'm a sprinter. I'm bounced up, I got him outstruck, it's not a toss up, I'm the winner. Beat, bitch move, for I bang bang with that ooze. That's Mew Mew on my shoes, ain't got a thing left for me to prove. It's that bottle service all night, it's that poppin' urban just right. It's that go hard or go home zone, bitch, I'm Madonna, these hoes know.
You're gonna love this. You can't touch this. Cause I'm a bad bitch. Who do you think you are? You can listen just like it's fun. Let me know this house tonight.
Cause I'm an albatross. 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 Yeah, Lori said she was a mouse, smoked the cheese and like the owl. Money, ho, chinka, chinka, chinka. Lori was a witch, sneaky little bitch. That little mouse, cause I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross.
You listen to UI Beats.
Mesdames et messieurs, s'il vous plaît, soyez prêts pour Aaron Chupa et Albatraoz. C'est parti.
I got it.
Alright, can I get everyone to silence down real quick? I just want to make this real quick. First of all, as always, thank you, everybody here. Thank you. Big round of applause to all of you for coming out every month, every year. It's been a long 6.5 years now. Actually, next month is 6.5 years. It's been a long time now, you know. You guys been coming out from all kinds of places. I know some of y'all, who's from LA around here? Shout out to LA. Nobody?
Oh, we got,
Oh, wait,
wait.
shout out to you. What's your name?
Cameron.
What's it?
Cameron.
Cameron.
Cameron, shout out to Cameron for coming from LA. Shout out. Big shout out to you. Alright, so this announcement I wanted to make real quick. If you guys have been following us or coming to our meets from the beginning, you know where it started. You know where it originated. You guys know where we come from. You guys know that this is not our lot that we usually have it at. Who knows where it was at?
FUDDRUCKERS.
Damn. What?
FUDDRUCKERS.
Damn, maybe you guys don't know where it was from. Alright, we started this 6.5 years ago at FUDDRUCKERS. And I'm sure a lot of you remember how that meet went. That last meet we had over there was nuts, crazy. And I'm happy to say that next month we're about to have it there again, and it's going to continue to be there again. At the old lot, right across from Cole's, where we stopped having it. And we're just going to blow shit up over there, as always. So, if you guys aren't following us already on Stance and Enhance, follow us on Instagram, Stance and Enhance, or check it out on Facebook. Next month, though, there's two things going on. There's 85 Degrees that's opening up, and the original plan was always to have a grand opening meet for them, CarMeet for the 85 Degrees. That's why we had to stop. We had to stop the meet because of the construction going on over there. So, you know, we stopped, and it's been like a year long, pretty much a year now, and next month we're back. So, what is it, May, June? So, stop coming here, go over to FUDDRUCKERS next month, last Thursday of every month. You guys know the Instagram. You guys, I just want to say thank you again to everybody here. You know, it's you guys that make this meet happen. It's not the cars, it's not the buildings, it's not the businesses, it's everybody that comes. The pizza as always, you know. And if you guys didn't see the cops game, but they're chill, they're super chill. We're cool with the Mira Mesa cops. And I say that every single time. This is the only meet left that cops can come by and not hassle anybody. So let's keep it that way. Thanks, guys. Have a good night. Meet ends at 9, but y'all can leave whenever. Bye. Alright, guys, drive safe.
You got something to say?
I'm here for Mark.
Woo!